Similarly, we can order the meals as well as the snacks and beverages for our meal. So just click on the Chicken Maharaja meal. Just add the items into the cart. You can see the cart option on the bottom side of the screen. After cross-checking the quantity and the price of the meal, just click on continue. After clicking on the continue, the screen will be processing. Also, the order will be placed. After the order is placed, we can see the QR code and the order items and address on the screen. With the help of the after placing the order, we can see QR scan for payment process. Also, the order item list and the billing address has been given down. Just scan the QR code with the help of the payment app. After scanning the code, we have to just pay to the customer and the order will be received. This was a short demonstration video on food ordering kiosk.